Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey hub, where the youthful warriors of Das Giants and RRANJ Solaris clashed in a riveting under-15 encounter. The Giants, after winning the toss, chose to erect their fortress of runs first.
Indeed, Ravish, this battleground witnessed strategic gambits and a carousel of emotions as these young titans vied for supremacy. A true test of skill and resolve was on display today.
The Giants, after a strategic decision to bat, amassed 137, despite the Solaris bowlers weaving a web around them. Extras contributed a hefty sum in this tale of runs and resilience.
True, Ravish, Solaris, in their chase, stumbled and could not find their footing against the Giants' relentless bowling attack. The extras were balm, but the wound was too deep to heal.
Pradhan and Tripathi forged a partnership of steel for the Giants, contributing significantly to the scoreboard's health amidst a stifling bowling performance by Solaris.
Precision from Jairaj and Sengar translated into a double strike, but the Giants' duo held firm, a bastion amidst a storm, anchoring the Giants' innings.
Solaris, in pursuit, saw Parikh's valiance at the crease, yet the Giants' bowlers, led by the tenacious Raghavendra, dictated the narrative of the innings, scripting the downfall.
Solaris' chase faltered, wickets fell like autumn leaves, and Giants' bowlers, especially Pandey, with his cunning spells, ensured the fortress built earlier stood unbreached by day's end.
Bhushan Raghavendra, with his miserly spell, and Adi Pandey, with a trio of wickets, were the architects of Giants' dominance today, altering the match fabrics.
And let us not forget Pradhan, who with his top-scoring innings, played the anchor role. These players were the pillars on which this victory was built, crucial to the Giants' narrative.
The Giants emerged victorious by 35 runs, a testament to their spirited bowling and strategic acumen that turned the game in their favor from the onset.
A triumph that will be etched in their memories, Ravish. The Giants displayed prowess in all facets, a telling blow to Solaris, who will now reflect on lessons learned. As the dust settles on the battlefield of the New Jersey hub, the Giants stand tall, their victory echoing the resilience and tactics that under-15 cricket demands.
A narrative of courage and conquest concludes, with the Giants claiming this chapter. Their performance today sets a benchmark as they march forward in their cricketing odyssey.